Nowadays, ang dami na talagang naglalabasan na optical shops. Buti na lang with Santos Optical, they literally go above and beyond. Dito nga lang yan matatagpuan sa 675 Rizal Avenue Extension, Malabon, Metro Manila. Tapat nga lang siya ng McDonald's at malapit lang din sa Malabon City Hall. At dahil nga nakipag-partner sila sa isang eye hospital, sagot na nila ang eye checkup mo worth 1,000 pesos. Dito, mahal man o mura yung eyeglasses mo, kahit worth 30,000 o 950 pa yan, if you're not comfortable with your eyeglasses, they will replace it for free. That's not even the best part yet, kasi with their 2-year frame warranty, kahit maapakan, madaganan, or mabali ang glasses mo, they will repair it ng libre lang. Grabe diba? Ang galing. Sa loob ng 2 years, hindi ka nakakabaka na masisira yung glasses mo? Not just that, just bring 2 of your friends or family member na magpapa-eyeglasses and you will get a free pair for yourself. Hindi mo na nga rin kailangan mag-antay because of their huge stocks. You can get your eyeglasses in as fast as 30 minutes. Kaya naman kung gusto mo rin makatipid, ayaw mong mag-antay ng matagal, yung hindi ka kakabahan kung masisira ba yung eyeglasses mo, Santos Optical na dapat ang next destination mo.